Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Coinbase account restricted. So let's get straight into the video. There are a lot of different ways that you can simply go ahead and fix it and understand as well. So when new deposits are pending, funds are often subject to a 3 to 7 days security hold, and they are not yet available balance. So simply go ahead and check for pending transfers and holds. The other thing you want to do is that you want to monitor your available balance. Funds become available gradually. So once they are, it should not be a problem. If you haven't already verified your confirmation or identity verification KYC, simply go to your profile setting and go ahead and do that. And then you want to simply go ahead and update your ID documents too if it has already expired. Then you want to go ahead and check for your payment method name match as well. Mismatches between the profile name and payment method could be a fraud restriction. So that is about it. You might need to go ahead and call your bank as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.